We're looking now at a very interesting late 18th century map that has two different states to it. This map has numerous features that are interesting, such as the District of Maine. And as we come across to the Great Lakes region, we see New Connecticut here. We see first state, second state, third state, fifth state, fourth state here being Michigan with an incorrect boundary line on the lake. We see features such as General Wayne's Treaty of 1795 in there. We see Army forts. We see Ohio Company here. Many features. Kentucky is spelled E-Y. This map was done by Abraham Bradley, and this example, as you can see, because it was folded in a gazetteer by Jedediah Morse, it has the typical sort of wrinkling that one often sees on these gazetteer maps of this vintage. On the reverse, we do see very well done tissue paper repairs along the edges and along this fold line here. When this little edge here is as issued, cut right to the neat line, this blank margin, this is to facilitate the folding of the map. If we want to look this map up, we would consult Wheaton Bruin's Maps and Charts published in America before 1800. And this particular map here has two states, as I mentioned at the beginning. It's number 158, and he, of course, gives the key features on the map that distinguish it, but the only difference between this and this particular map here is the 1804 state, or thereabouts. And the only difference between this 1797 and the later impression is that the engraver's name has been removed from below the bottom neat line because it was, in fact, engraved by B. Callender. And so that's removed on this later state. But otherwise, it is the exact same plate. And so, as it survives and as it can be seen here, this map is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.